Hey beautiful souls, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled with frizz, lackluster shine, or just wanted a hair tool that's as versatile as your lifestyle, I think you're going to want to stick around for this one. We're checking out the Conair Hair Dryer with Diffuser and Folding Handle, a travel-friendly blow dryer that promises less frizz, more shine, and irresistibly silky hair. Right off the bat, this is a compact, foldable dryer designed for convenience, whether you're traveling, heading to the gym, or just short on storage space. It's powered by Conair's Radiance Boost technology, which combines nanoquartz and ionic systems for shine and frizz control, along with ceramic heat for gentler styling that's easier on your strands. It also comes with two attachments, a concentrator for sleek styles and a diffuser to enhance natural texture. You have 3 heat settings, 2 speeds, and a cool shot button to lock in your look. I've been testing this dryer over the past couple of weeks, and I have to say, the folding handle alone makes it so easy to pack or store without taking up space. Using it on damp hair, I noticed a noticeable reduction in frizz compared to standard dryers, and my hair felt smoother and more manageable right after drying. The ionic technology really does help reduce that static flyaway, and the ceramic heat felt gentler, meaning less of that hot, harsh feeling you sometimes get with travel dryers. The diffuser is perfect for enhancing my natural waves without creating frizz, and the concentrator nozzle works well for targeted styling when I'm going for a polished, sleek look. One thing I appreciated is how lightweight it is. It's comfortable to hold, even during longer styling sessions, which is something that often gets overlooked in compact, travel-friendly dryers. That said, because it's a smaller unit, the airflow isn't as powerful as a full-size professional dryer, so if you have very thick or long hair, it might take a bit longer to fully dry. I love that Conair has included multiple heat and speed settings, which makes this dryer versatile for all hair types. And the cool shot button is a nice touch for locking in curls or waves without flattening them. As for value, considering the compact design, included attachments, and advanced technology like ionic and nanoquartz features, it's priced very reasonably for everyday use. While you can find cheaper travel dryers, most don't include the combination of diffuser and concentrator, nor the folding handle, which adds a lot of convenience. For comparison, higher-end salon dryers will outperform this one in raw power, but they aren't travel-friendly and often come with a heftier price tag. The build quality is solid for a travel dryer. The foldable handle clicks securely into place, the attachments fit snugly, and overall, it feels durable enough to withstand frequent use or packing in a suitcase. I haven't had to test Conair's customer support directly for this unit, but the brand generally has a solid reputation for responsiveness and product reliability. In short, the Conair Radiance Boost Hair Dryer strikes a nice balance between functionality, portability, and hair-friendly technology. It's ideal for anyone who wants a convenient, travel-ready tool that reduces frizz, adds shine, and handles different styling needs without breaking the bank. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic, and if you've tried this dryer, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. The link to grab this product is in the description box. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.